Do you want to be hyped and be on trend? Stay here for more. Hey there, FeetFinder mates. I have some exciting news for you all. I just know that you will surely love this. Are you ready? Introducing FeetFinder merch products. I am wearing my most favorite hoodie from FeetFinder, and I feel so empowered because it just makes me feel like I belong to the feet lover community, which I do. Feel the vibes and be part of the FeetFinder community right along with me. FeetFinder offers so many exciting signature merch products that you can buy directly from their website. Get your signature merch items from FeetFinder today before they run out of stock. Don't worry, they have flexible shipping options for you, so you don't have to worry about that. They have the most fantastic, affordable products that you can buy so easily. Once you grab any of their merch, you can easily connect with your audience because you will be wearing their brand. Wear your pride, as they say. To mention a few exciting pieces of merch that FeetFinder has. FeetFinder has basic apparel that you must get to have that fetish, on-the-go content creator, and a feet influencer vibe. They have hoodies, jackets, long sleeves, crop tops, and baseball caps, which you can wear any time of the day, any time of the year. They're just so cute and cozy with so many options to choose from. It also includes different sizes and different colors too, so you can get exactly what you want. Of course, FeetFinder has unique brand merchandise too. They have logo business products online like nail kits, nail polish sets, callus removers, body lotions, mugs, tumblers, keychains, and so much more. If you're into feet, I suggest getting these little cute pedicure and feet care kits. It would be so lovely to have a DIY pedicure kit that also includes nail polish sets. That way you can change your feet nail color anytime you want. And this is what it looks like when you get it. As you can see, super cute. Let me open it up for you guys. It comes with nail polish. As you can see, it comes with a little callus remover. You can remove the callus at any time and then confidently take a picture of your fresh and callus-free feet. Now that's money for sure. And also, if you're looking too lazy to book a foot spa, you can do it at home. They even have like little nail clippers, as you can see. Get all the details about new merch, sales, and special offers. Visit FeetFinderMerch.com and check out the most incredible products from FeetFinder.com, including this little pedicure set. Get yours now because you want to make sure that you get all of the good stuff. So that's it for today's video. So if you want to ask something about FeetFinder merchandise, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them for you and plus give you a shout out too. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to learn even more about FeetFinder and its legitimacy. Wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever it is that turns you on. Bye!